Close your eyes and imagine a home that moves with you, a private sanctuary designed to follow your dreams wherever the road leads. This is not fantasy. This is the 2026 ultra-luxury motorhome, the most insane future RV ever revealed, a rolling masterpiece that transforms travel into a statement of life itself. From oceanfront sunrises to mountain peak mornings and glittering city nights, this motorhome makes the entire world your backyard, all from a palace on wheels. This is not just an RV. It is a bold declaration of freedom, innovation, and refined living. Every surface, every curve, and every feature has been meticulously crafted to redefine what it means to travel in comfort and style. Designed for those who refuse to settle for ordinary, this motorhome blends cutting-edge technology, elegant design, and raw performance, turning every journey into a remarkable experience. Approaching this mobile marvel is breathtaking. Smooth aerodynamic contours flow effortlessly from front to rear, polished metal accents reflect the surrounding landscape, and sleek futuristic lines command attention wherever it arrives. Its massive scale feels more like a luxury yacht than a vehicle, while its sculpted profile hints at speed, efficiency, and intelligent engineering. This is rolling architecture, art fused seamlessly with advanced technology. Beneath the striking exterior lies a foundation of next-generation engineering. A specially designed chassis maximizes stability and comfort, while advanced air suspension delivers a floating, effortless ride across highways, mountains, and rugged terrain. Hybrid power provides instant torque and smooth acceleration, ensuring confident performance in every driving condition. Safety is uncompromising, with autonomous driving assistance, adaptive cruise control, lane guidance, and a full 360-degree camera network offering complete peace of mind. Step inside, and the future unfolds around you. The lounge welcomes you with panoramic windows framing the world like living artwork. AI-controlled smart lighting adapts to your mood, curved leather seating offers unmatched comfort, and holographic entertainment transforms relaxation into an immersive experience. Ultra-modern marble flooring completes a space designed to feel more like a luxury penthouse than a motorhome. The bedroom redefines indulgence. Futuristic circular lighting surrounds a velvet king-size bed, gold-accented details shimmer softly, and smart windows adjust privacy and light instantly. Ambient LED accents and sculpted modern furniture create a royal retreat, offering deep rest and serenity wherever the road may lead. In the kitchen, technology and elegance merge perfectly. Polished marble countertops, ambient lighting, premium wood cabinetry, and touchscreen appliances turn every meal into an event. This is a gourmet space built for unforgettable moments, blending beauty with high-end functionality for luxury living on the move. The bathroom is equally extraordinary. Marble floors, AI-lit mirrors, gold fixtures, a curved smart shower, a deep soaking tub, and cyber-style LED panels create a spa-like oasis, redefining high-tech elegance and premium travel comfort. At the heart of the motorhome is a central AI hub. Lighting, temperature, security, and entertainment respond instantly to voice commands or a sleek touchscreen interface. Global connectivity is guaranteed through satellite communication and high-speed internet, allowing you to work, relax, or connect from anywhere on Earth. Intelligent energy management combines sustainability with luxury, while roof-mounted solar panels provide energy independence for extended off-grid living. Performance remains as impressive as comfort. The hybrid engine delivers power with precision, conquering steep climbs, open highways, and challenging trails effortlessly. Air suspension smooths every surface, and autonomous systems assist intuitively, ensuring driving feels confident, safe, and refined. This motorhome enables a life without limits. Wake to ocean sunrises, enjoy breakfast atop mountains, and spend evenings in vibrant cities within the same week. Every detail exudes status, sophistication, and success. It adapts seamlessly for family adventures or romantic escapes, offering privacy, connection, and unforgettable experiences. This is not just a vehicle. It is a revolutionary way to live, delivering freedom without compromise, and redefining what tomorrow truly looks like.